Alright guys, so we got him installed here. It looks a lot better to me. I really like the way this looks. Gives it a different look, definitely.
Hey, what's going on, guys? So in today's video I wanted to show you guys some mud flaps that we're going to be installing in the Civic. These particular mud flaps are OEM. I did take them off of the $700 Civic that we purchased. If you haven't seen that, please go back to my old videos. I'll put the description here in the bottom. But we're gonna just clean them up here, getting installed in the Civic, and see how they look.
Alright guys, so we got them all dried up and ready to go. So we're going to be removing the wheel because it makes it a whole lot easier to do it that way. They basically just slip in here, and it's 3 bolts holding them. These are a little damaged here from the bottom because the vehicle came off of was really low to the ground. So you know, I mean, I really don't care. It's not a big deal to me. I know some people are perfectionists, but I'm okay with that. I'm gonna go ahead and just lift the vehicle up. We'll be removing the tires and we'll get it going here shortly. So let me get everything on jacks and we'll be done here soon. So as you guys can see, we still haven't taken the car to get detailed. It's still really dirty, but I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of wipe it down a little bit there before we take it out to get detailed. We haven't just had a chance to arrange anything with the guy. Alright guys, so we got the front put in. I'm going to be installing the rear ones now. I did notice that I will have to make a hole here on one of them. So I found the closest screws as I could find. Let's see. Found these here, so we're going to go ahead and install one on each side. And we'll get it going. Hopefully we don't have to remove the tires, but if we do, then we'll get it done. All right, guys, so it was a little bit tougher than what I thought, but nothing too bad. Should probably take you about 15, maybe 20 minutes to get them installed, but let me show you guys what it looks like. All right, guys, so we got the mud flaps installed. Definitely enjoying this look a lot better. I did get a grill for the Civic. I'll put a picture here somewhere in the video, but I did get a grill for the Civic. I am waiting on the lip, and then we're gonna get it all painted and installed. But I appreciate you guys watching. Please add any comments, suggestions that you may have. I'm always open to any comments that you may have, whatever you guys want to see me add to the vehicle, or anything you think does not look good, please definitely let me know. But I appreciate you guys watching. Please continue to like and subscribe, and I think that's it for this video. Can you guys anything else? All right, guys, we'll catch you on the next one.